if you want to know how to increase font size on Snapchat and make chat easier to read, you've come to the right place. So if you'll open our Snapchat, and I'm going to open some chat folder. For example, if you want to write something or read something, sometimes like messages could be really small and it's really hard to read them. How can we fix? Basically, if we'll open our settings on Snapchat, we won't be able to find this feature, but we still have the solution of how can we fix it. I'll show you how you can do it on iPhone, but on the Android, the steps are quite the same, so you can try to find it by yourself. And basically we need to open our settings right up here, and then from this page with the settings, we need to find a control center, and then scroll down to find text size widget. We need to add it to our control center in included controls. So after that, if you'll scroll down, we can find this option with A letters right up here. So we can go back to Snapchat. Now we can open our basically chat folder. And after that, in order to increase font size and make chat easier to read, we just simply need to scroll down here, then just simply click on this icon. And as you can see, we can switch between Snapchat only and all apps in the bottom of the screen. So I'm going to click on a Snapchat only, and now I can increase the text size to the maximum, for example. And if I'm going to close basically this stuff, now I can go back. And now, as you can see, something has really changed. For example, now we can easily manage all this stuff. And sometimes it doesn't work that correctly. So we need to try to re-upload this stuff. And basically we need to try to re-upload the Snapchat app. So after that, probably, yeah, as you can see, the font was automatically increased, and now it's much easier to read. So if it doesn't work for the first time, just simply reopen the Snapchat, so it will be re-uploaded and it will be easy for you to read all the messages and all the stuff. As for me, it's definitely the best way to increase the font size, and this is a way of how can you do the same and how can you make chat easier to read. Hope guys this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.